Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on your computer. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, click on download. Here we can see the latest version of Python. Currently at the time of recording this video is 3.7.3. Chances are in the future when you are watching this tutorial, there will be a newer version of Python available. Don't worry, all the materials you are going to learn in this course will apply to the latest version of Python as well. So let's go ahead and download Python 3. I have downloaded mine, it's on the desktop. You can pause the video and download yours. Okay, I believe you have done so. So let's over to the desktop where mine is. Double click on it, it should open. There it is. Add this path, don't forget to add this path, and then press install. When it has finished downloading, you can just press close and you have successfully installed Python 3 on your computer. Next, we need to install a code editor. We use a code editor to write our code, just like how we use Microsoft Word to write documents. Now, there are so many code editors out there. The one that I'm going to show you in this tutorial is PyCharm. That is one of the most popular code editors for writing Python code. You can get it at jetbrains.com/PyCharm, or you can just type PyCharm and you will have a screen like this. Sorry. Just give it time to load. You will have a screen like this. Now, more accurately, PyCharm is considered an IDE, which is a short form for Integrated Development Environment, and that is basically a code editor like a fast code editor. It has some additional features that make it really easy to write code. So let's go ahead and download it. You can pause the video. I have downloaded mine, it's on the desktop. Now here on the download page, you can see two versions of PyCharm. One is the professional edition, which has additional features and you have to pay for them. The other one is the community edition that is absolutely free, and that's what we are going to use in this tutorial. So go ahead and download this as well. Click here, press next, press next. You can add a desktop shortcut if you want, then next, then install. Okay, I will pause the video and come back when it has finished installing. Now we can just click on this and then click on finish. A pop-up box will appear. There it is. Just do not import any settings. Press OK. Box, confirm, press continue. Don't, and we wait for the interface to show up. So skip, remain, press this. Okay, create new project. Let's call this project hello world. And press create. A screen like this, just press close while the indexing is still loading. Another thing that I like to add is PyCharm interpreter is basically a program that knows how to execute Python code. It will know how to interpret or translate Python instruction into instruction a computer can understand. This, and that's it. You have successfully installed PyCharm. Guys, Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe and like. Thank you.